Hello guys, welcome to SS Multimedia. This is Arjun Kokunda, and today we will be learning about measuring angles with unit angles. Our objective today will be understanding how to measure angles using other angles. So like the objective says, we will use other angles, so different ones, to measure angles. So we're going to use other different angles that we already know to measure the angles that we're supposed to measure. So I'm going to start off with a question. So we have Holly. She was asked to measure this angle. This angle means this one, using the other angle. So that's this one. This is 32 degrees. What can she do? So we know that this is 32 degrees. So both of these are 32 degrees, and we need to figure out what this one is. So this is our question mark. So what we will do is we're going to find that. So this is going to be our question mark, like I said. We're going to move these into here and see what happens. So we're going to select this. Then let's move it in there. So we have one. Now let's try the other one. I'm going to select that and get it there. Now as you can see, two of these equals this. So we know that this is the green angle is 32 degrees. Now we have two green angles. So that means we're just adding 32 and 32. 32 plus 32 equals 64. That means our angle here is 64 degrees. Now let's try another one. Here we have Sarah. She was asked to measure this angle without using a protractor. What can she do? Well, she can use squares. Believe it or not, you can use squares to measure angles. A lot of you might be thinking, what does squares have to do with any of this? Well, I'm going to show you right now. So let's go ahead and draw a square. There, we have one. Now let's draw another one. There we go. Now, think of something that we know. We know that an angle, the angle of the square here, is 90 degrees. So we're gonna write 90 degrees right here. And then we have right here half of 90 degrees. So this is the line we're looking at. This is the square. So this is half of 90 degrees. So 90 degrees, so 90 divided by 2 is what we'll be doing. So 90 divided by 2. So let me write that down over there. Now we're going to divide. So we have 90 divided by 2. We know that 2 times 4 equals 8. So we're going to get 9 minus 8, which is 1. And then we have a 0. We're going to bring that down, and then this becomes a 10. We know that 2 times 5 is 10, so we get a 0. So that means this right here is 45 degrees. So our total, this and then this, equals 45 plus 90. So 5 plus 0 equals 5. Not 0, 5. What did I do? Okay, there. We have 5. Then 9 plus 4 equals 13, sorry. So we're gonna write 13 over there. So our answer is 135 degrees. Let's box that. Now that you know what to do, why don't you guys try a problem yourself? I'm going to give you one. So now, try to find the measure of this angle by yourself. Obviously, you can't do it yourself. So how about you guys draw an angle similar to this and then try it out yourself. Obviously, you can't make it exactly as mine, so make one that looks similar and then try it yourself. So, pause this video. Did you get a solution? Now, let's check if it's right. Sorry about that white thing up there. Something just popped up. So, let's do it right now. So first off, let's draw a square. There we go. We have a square. So now, we know that this is pointing exactly to this point of the square. So what we're going to do is we're going to figure out this angle. We know that this total equals 90 degrees. We're going to figure out what half of it is. So that means that we're going to divide. So we're going to do 90 divided by 2. So we know that 2 times 4 equals 8. Then we get a 1. And we're bringing the 0 down. We have 2 times 5, which is also 10. Then we subtract and get a remainder of 0. That means this angle right here is 45 degrees. So that means that our angle is 45 degrees. Obviously, yours wouldn't have been the same as mine, but if it's pretty close to 45, then that means you got it right. So, great job. Comment down if you got it right or not. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye. Keep practicing. If you liked this video and it helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos.